I'd say it led into whatever home that is there. And I'm not sure if I can go. I'll just have a look. Someone's actual home. I don't really want to go and mess around there. There's an old. Well, I'd say this is in use, so let's have a look. It's mad. This was obviously the old farmhouse, and I'm assuming whoever owned this sold that plot of land for the housing, but obviously that fell apart. Maybe this did too. I thought this was going to be used with like farm animals, but I'm just hoping some angry farmers can pop out. I don't want to be mad. It's all abandoned. It's not even any animals here. That's blocked. I'm not going to disturb. I'd say it's used for like animals, but there's none here. So maybe whoever sold it to the housing estate, they might have also run out of money themselves. No, not in the news. Maybe whoever lost the land must have. I don't know what that is, an old barrel or something. Prefer not to fall on my head. A good scene, a good set for a horror movie, but it's massive. And nobody uses it. So just all farm sheds. So it's not really a house. So maybe like the old house is somewhere else behind the wall. Some other part of on the land here. Old thing for cleaning the tracks. Oh, very strange how it's not used for farming or anything. Then, I don't know where that leads.